Hey, my name is Drew Blakely. I'm with Tri-Green Equipment in Athens, Alabama, and today we're going to go over removing and connecting the 60D AutoConnect deck on the 1025R. First thing we're going to do is pull the pins on all four of the gauge wheels so the deck can go all the way down. The next thing we're going to do is make sure that our deck height dial is in the position to remove. So the next thing we're going to do is lower our deck all the way to the ground and flip our latches to the unlock position. So now we're ready to back off. You need to make sure that you're in low and four-wheel drive. And that is how you remove the 60D AutoConnect on the 1025R. Now we're going to reattach the mower deck to the tractor. Remember to be in low and in four-wheel drive. When driving over the deck, make sure to use this rod as a guide with your left front tire. So the only thing left to do to be ready to mow is set your deck height and adjust your gauge wheels to the desired height. Notice how easy it is to remove and attach the mower deck to the tractor. We do not have to remove the loader. We don't have to have any ramps to take it on and off. Come see us today for your test drive at Tri-Green Equipment.